Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see the map function, how you can use the map function to transform your array. Okay, see, before we go ahead, I will discuss what is there in the program currently. See, we have an array, okay, array of numbers. Okay, now we have four functions, 1 2 3 4. Okay, first functions returns the square, second functions returns the cube, third functions increment the number by 14, and fourth function subtracts the number 3 from individual element. See how you can transform the array. First of all, you are supposed to write array dot map. Okay, so this is the syntax which you can use to transform your array. Imagine I have to find the square of individual numbers in the array. Okay, so what I will write, array dot map, and inside the round bracket, what we will write, we will write the square function. Okay, so this will give me the square of individual number. 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, like this it will give me. Okay, to let's see the result, whether we get the desired result or not. Console.log. Okay, what we will get here, see, let's execute and see whether we are getting the desired result or not. Yes, see, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, we are getting squares of individual numbers. Now imagine I want to find the cube of individual numbers of the array. So what I will do, console.log. Okay, and I will write array dot cube, array dot array dot map first, and then inside that I will pass the function cube. Okay, so in this manner you will get the cube of individual numbers. Okay, see, 64, like this. Now imagine I want to increment it by 4, so I will write here increment by 14. Okay, just I'm commenting out this so that it will be properly visible to you, incrementing or not. Yes, see, it is incrementing each and every number by 14. Okay, 14 plus 4 18. Every array may every element has been incremented by 14. Now next function is what I'm supposed to do. Instead of that increment, I will use subtract 3. Subtract 3. Yes. Okay, let's execute this also, whether we are getting the desired result. Yes. Okay, see, there is a smaller version of this. If you want to use some, suppose I don't want to use this function, I want to use some different function. Okay, so what I can do here is console.log, console.log, and then what I can write, array arr dot map. Okay, and I have to increment individual elements by 2. So what I will do, I will pass an argument over here, then arrow function like this, then a plus 2 I will do it. Okay, whatever transformation I have to do, I will write it over here. A plus 2 I have to do, so every number will be incremented by 2. See here. Okay, if I want to write a multiplied by 2, a multiplied by 2, every number will be multiplied by 2. See here. Yeah, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Like this it will work. Hope you enjoyed the complete video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.